Welcome viewers, this is Pepper's Creation. Today we are going to do 2-in-1 satin bonnets. This is it, and this 2-in-1. You can rock it whichever way you want. It's either this way or this way, whichever way you prefer. Mine is extra large, which can accommodate any hair. In case you missed out my previous videos, you can check the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. These are the items you are going to need: your satin, your fabric, your elastic band, office pins, your safety pin, our satin is also ready. So at this point we'll turn it. The right side will face each other, then we pin it. You see that my satin is a little bit bigger than my fabric. After pinning it together, I'll have to cut the excess off. So we will pin it all around. So this is what we have after pinning them together. This is the front. This is the fabric. And this is the satin. At this point, we are going to sew it together. We are going to sew it all round. So I'm sanding it to the machine. And when you are sewing, you leave some 2 inches in between. So that's where we will use to turn our fabric inside out. As you are sewing, then you'll be removing your office pins. So this is what you have after sewing it all around, as you can see. So I left some 2 inches between. I didn't sew this part. This is where we are going to use to turn our bonnet inside out. So we are turning it inside out. Okay, so this is it. Just need to straighten it out. So at this point, you iron it to get the seams very straight and flat. I'm done ironing. You see that the seams is neatly out. That's the essence of the ironing. So it's time for us to put in our elastic band, but before that, we are going to sew it again. And this time around, we are not going to leave any space. We are sewing, and after that, we put our elastic band. The elastic band, the length depends on you. I'm using my head, so I'll just cut some. I'll measure the circumference of my head, and it's almost 19 inches. So I don't want it too tight or too loose, so I'll just cut 19. And after sewing it all around, I'll slip it through this same space, then we seal it, and we are done for that. I'm sewing it 2 inches below, so I'll measure 2 inches. I'm coming to sew all round, and this time round the space we left in the earlier sewing, the second one, we are going to sew it, meaning we are not going to leave the space there, because after sewing it all around and putting our elastic band, we will close this hole. So I'm sewing it all around again, and it's 2 inches from the end. So we are done sewing all around. As you can see, this is the second one, and this time round we didn't leave any space in between. That is it. So I'm going to apply my elastic band, and we are using the first space we left. To make it easier, you use your satin, your safety pin to get hold of your elastic band, so that you can be slipping it through with ease. So you just slip it through like this. So you just push, then you pull. In order not for the elastic band to slip through, you just secure the hand with a pin so that all will not slip through. I'm going to sew this end together, and after that we would adjust. This. If you enjoyed my videos, please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post videos, you can also watch it and learn at the comfort of your home. These are very simple things that you can learn. So subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to leave your comments, like, and continue sharing. Thank you. Bye.